I can clearly see that there is a pre and post CFI IIT Madras.
Students had the ideas and the talent, but the hands-on work was scattered across projects, competitions, and the good old hobby club. In 2007, students began reimagining what that culture could become, while support came from the alumni community and corporates to build a dedicated space for student innovation. In 2008, CFI opened a space where students could build beyond classrooms, departments, and coursework. It began with 10 projects and around 100 students connected by one simple instinct of building. Projects failed, teams struggled, and even CFI had to rebuild itself, but iteration became part of its culture. Projects became clubs, clubs became competition teams, and students began building robots, race cars, rovers, rockets, and Hyperloop systems. What began as a workshop grew into a pipeline, from ideas to prototypes, from prototypes to patents, research, and startups. Students, more importantly, stopped seeing engineering as something they only studied and began seeing it as something they could shape. Today, CFI represents a culture of curiosity, collaboration, failure, and fearless experimentation. There was an IIT Madras before CFI. There is an IIT Madras after CFI. And somewhere inside CFI, the next transformation is already being built, bringing together students, faculty, alumni, and corporates with a common dream to innovate for Bharat.